Hello. Alright, so today we are testing and installing this beautiful camera. It's a floodlight Wi-Fi camera. So just open up the test. All the cameras that we're sending out from Wollongong are tested. So we do test them and then we pack them just to make sure there's no back and forth for our customers. So anyway, this is the camera if it opens up. All right, here we go. We got the catalog, brochure. It shows you the app here, which is Cloud Edge. And you got the manual description and how you can, what you get in the box and everything else. And this is showing you how to screw them to the wall. This is the camera. Let me get it up. This is the camera. Comes with a very big panel. So here's the panel. It comes with a very long cable. So I assume you can bring this on top of the roof and just have the cable down there where you want to install the camera. All right. I should also mention that the lights are very, very strong. So you would this is a daytime now, and even if now, if I turn this on, you see how bright it is. It's just a really good lighting. All right. So to install the app on the camera, you can just turn on the lights, just wait for the lights to go down, and you need to use the pin which is provided here. There's a reset button here you need to hold for about 5 to 7 seconds. Cool, just hold that. Sometimes tricky to find it. Yep, you'll hear the click. Yep, and then it says beep beep. That means it is reset. So if you open up the app, which is a Cloud Edge app, is going up, and then we'll go device, just click on that. We go floodlight, camera, we turn it off. We see the red light, very small red light blinking. I go next. It says reset the camera, which we did already. Go next. We need to choose our Wi-Fi and then type in our password. Our password for the Wi-Fi internet here. And then we go next. It says, how do you want to install it? I'll go QR code configuration. And then we go next. It's loading up the QR code. I'm just going to show it to the camera. It says another beep beep, and it says notification tone here. Done. You can rename the app whatever you want. Don't want to rename it now, we just go done. And here we do have the, oops, I'll just go allow permissions. As you see, I can talk to myself. I'm going cancel. Alright, so here I can hear, I can talk withholding the microphone. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Yeah, as you can see, we can talk. And yeah, basically that's it. Hopefully that was clear enough.